today's bonus lesson, we're going to use Cursor AI to make our own AI model with training data. So first, we need to download the data samples so that we can use them. So if you remember from last video, we have these data samples that we recorded. So if you don't have these data samples, you can look back at Microbit Lesson 3 Part 1 to find out how to record them. Now, we can press these three dots over here and press Download All Data Samples. As you can see, it downloads a file, and this file has all the data samples in it. So let's download that. And now that we have it downloaded, we can look at it in Cursor. Okay, now that we have our data samples ready, we can start using the AI to make our training model. So what you need to do is just type into the Cursor chat, please make an AI model that can recognize which action you are giving it by these data samples. And then you can drag this file over there for reference. And then yeah, that's it. Now you can just press this button and then it will generate the AI model for you. Now that we finished creating our AI model, we can get to testing it. So the first thing we want to do is create a new data sample, action. And then now we have to record 3 data samples in a specific order so that the AI model can recognize it. And before we do that, we have to connect our Microbit. So if you want to know how to connect your Microbit and the things you need to connect it, you can look back at my video where I explained how to make an AI model with the Microbit Create AI. So I'm going to go through this. And then disconnect it. Now we can strap it onto our leg so we can start recording some data samples. So the first one we need is jumping. And then the second is standing. And the third one is walking. So now that we have our data samples ready, we can download it. And in case you didn't notice, that JSW means jumping, standing, and walking, which is the order that the data samples are in. So let's name it JSW and save it in our AI models folder. Now that Cursor finished our AI model, we can check on the results. So it gave us predict.py, which is the main program that predicts the values, train.py, which trains the model to predict the values, and diagnose.py, which diagnoses the errors in the AI model. And we also have our original sets of training data, and in addition to JSW, we also have 2 other testing samples. And let's get straight to testing them. So first we need to open our terminal and type in the command For me, it's this command, but for you, it might be a different one, so make sure to check in with the cursor AI. My command is python 3 predicts.py and then test jsw.json. Enter. So our intended order for this one was jumping, standing, and walking. So let's see if they predicted it right. And the AI model did. It's jumping, standing, and walking. Now, just to confirm, let's try another AI model file, which is wsj.json. WSJ, yep. Now, finally, let's test the five sequence. Walking, jumping, standing. Yep, that's right. So if there's any errors, you can always check in with the AI and debug them. And just for a reminder, some of these need like Python 3 and other models, so make sure you install those first. And that's how you make a simple AI model using Cursor AI and Microbit data samples. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.